In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Google Gemini AI Overview search result feature from your Google Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so each and every time you go ahead and search for anything, for instance, how to delete a page in PDF, the first result will be this AI Overview. And you can see it will give you an overview result of which you can see more, and it is quite long. However, if you no longer want to see this AI overview such that you are taken direct to available web pages, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and go to your Chrome browser and click on these three dots. And from this, go ahead and choose settings. Under settings, head to search engine. And under this, you'll see your current search engine. Currently, I'm using Google. Go ahead and click on manage search engines and site search. And down below here under search sites, you should be able to see Gemini. Now to remove AI overview, we need to go ahead and add a condition. So go ahead and click on add. And here, go ahead and give your site search a name. So give any random name. For instance, I can just give no AI overview. You can give it any name. It doesn't matter. And then go to shortcut here. Now under shortcut, go ahead and write at web only as one word, and then enter URL. Go ahead and paste this URL. Don't worry, I've left this down below so that you can grab and copy in your search browser. Then go ahead and click on add here. Now once you have added, go ahead and click on these three dots, then choose make default. Now if you go ahead and refresh your page, now we want to go ahead and ask the same question, like the same as the one I asked here. So let's go ahead and try and see if we shall have an AI overview. And here we go. Look at that. Now we do not have AI overview in our search results on Google Chrome. So that's how you can remove AI overview on your Google Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.